Hello friends, this is Dr. Nazim Padvekar from Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. Today we are discussing about the deadliest and horrific disease of the world. The entire mankind is suffering and it is spreading in the world like a fire. Yes, we are talking about the cancer. The cancer is spreading in India very fast. It's reaching in every nooks and corner. We will go in that subject, why it is spreading so fast and why it is entering everywhere in India. That is another subject. We will be talking on that subject some other time. But right now we will be discussing about how to defeat cancer if it is enter in our life. Now, most importantly, we must see the treatments available in India for cancer patients are only the nuclear medicines. Nuclear medicines, that means I'm talking about chemotherapy and radiation. These are the only two treatment they are giving, and in some cases they go for an operation. But operation doesn't help, that we understand, because cancer is spreading with cells to cell. There are so many cells are infected with the cancer, they try to remove, and then that become a gland and they try to remove that gland. But we must understand that when we are saying the cancer-free body is 80% or 90% or 70%, that means remaining 10% or remaining 20% is spreading again very fast in our body. Most importantly, the treatment what has been given in India today are the chemotherapy and radiation. Normally they give only 6 chemotherapy, because beyond 6 that's next to impossible that the human body can sustain that treatment. That treatment is very harsh and deadly. So because it is nuclear medicines, we know it is really very bad medicines. And then the radiations. Now again let me explain you that these two treatments, even if we give to a patient who is suffering from the cancer, that's not a complete treatment. It's an incomplete treatment, because the doctors are normally saying to that patient that this much we can do. Now you go home and take rest and try to recover. That means what? He is going back to house with 80% or 70% or 90% cancer-free body, but he 10%, 20%, 30% remain in his body, that start again spreading. So the infection comes back. So that means the treatment of cancer presently in India is incomplete. So how do we complete it? How do we defeat cancer? Yes, we are researching since last 15 years, and very recently we have got a drug that is called as Vmat. That is a drug which we retrieve from the coconut milk, and it has a very unique process retrieving that ghee. And after our many case studies and tests on various cancer patients, right now also we are treating many cancer patients, we have understood 2-3 very important factors. Incompleteness of the allopathic medicine is going to be complete with the Ayurvedic treatment of Vmat. How? During the chemotherapy, when the treatments are going on, the patient, if he takes 3 times Vmat doses, 15 ml, 10 ml and 10 ml, that is enough for him to sustain that harsh treatment which is normally given to him, defeat the cancer. So during this treatment, if he takes Vmat 3 times, he got lot of energy. That is the first part. Secondly, it arrests the spreading of the cancer in the body. And third most important part is that the cancer, after the treatment of the cancer, it started spreading again. So at that time, Vmat is prohibiting and not allowing the cancer to spread, because I already said that it's arresting the cancer. And thirdly, the cancer again regress after 4 years, after 5 years, after 6 years, come back. So that coming back, that is also prohibits Vmat, stop that to coming back. Vmat plays a major role in the process in the treatment of the cancer in India. Vmat is the bridge between patients and the life. And Vmat is a very important drug. Please spread this message everywhere so the cancer patient will be benefited. Thank you very much.